Good morning, children. Sairam. So last class we saw the revision of chapter 1. Yes, today we are going to revise again the chapter 1. Shall we start? So now take your notebook, copy whatever I am teaching, copy that in your notebook and you have to show it to me after the school reopens. Yes? Are you all ready? Shall we start the revision? Just copy it in your notebook. Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. First one, 3,285, 3,285, 4,061, 4,061, 298, 298, 3,469, 3,469. Now you're going to tell me the answer now. Which is the smallest number? 298 is having 3 digits. So that is smallest, right? Very good. So write it down. 298. Then which is the smallest number? Yes, very good. 3,285. Very good. 3,285. Then 3,469. 3,469. Then 4,061. 4,061. So shall we move on to the next one? Second one, 9,099. 9,099, 9,909, 9,909, 9,990, 9,990, 999, 999. Now tell me, children, which is the smallest number? Again, one number is having 3 digits, right? That is the smallest. Yes. So write it down. 999 is the smallest number. Then 999. Then 9,099. 9,099. Then 9,909. 9,909. Then last 9,990. 9,990. Have you all copied this? Shall we move on to the next one? Arrange in descending order. Arrange in descending order. You all know what is descending order, right? Arranging the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Yes? Shall we arrange the numbers in descending order? We'll see the first sum now. First one, 7,649, 7,649, 7,496, 7,496, 7,549, 7,549, 7,459. 7,459. Now tell me, children, which is the biggest number? Yes, you have to see the thousands place. We all have 7 in the thousands place, right? In all the numbers we have 7. So now see the hundreds place. So in hundreds place 6 is the biggest number. So 7649 is the biggest. 7,649. Very good. 7,649. Then 7,549. 7,549. Next 7,496. 7,496. Last 7,459. 7,459. Second one, 1,123, 1,123, 1,123, 1312, 1312, 1213, 1213, 1321, 1321. Now tell me children, which is the biggest number? See the hundreds place. We have 3 in the hundreds place. So now see the tens place. 1312 and 1321. Compare the tens place. So which is the biggest? Yes, 1321 is the biggest. Then first is 1321. Then 1312. 1312. 1312. Then 1213. 1213. At last 1123. 1123. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Write the number that comes between the given numbers. Between the given numbers. Write the number that comes between the given numbers. We are going to write the between numbers. Shall we? First one, 698, 698, 700, 700. Now tell me children, what number comes between 698 and 700? Think and tell me the answer now. Yes, very good. 699. 699 comes between 698 and 700. 699. Second one, 4039. 4039. 4041. 4041. Now tell me children, what number comes between these two numbers? Between these two numbers? Yes, very good. 4040. 4040. 4040. 4040 comes between 4039 and 4041. Next. Write the predecessor and successor of the given numbers. Write the predecessor and successor of the given numbers. You are going to tell me the predecessor and successor of the number. Yes? Shall we see the number now? First one, 889. 889. Now tell me what is the predecessor of this number. Subtract 1 from this number and tell me the answer now. 889 minus 1. What will be the answer? Yes, 888 is the predecessor of the number 889. So the predecessor is 888. Now tell me what is the successor of this number? Yes, add 1 to the number 889. Add 889 plus 1. Yes, the answer is 890. So the successor is 890. Successor is 890. Second one, the number is 7038. 7038. Now tell me the predecessor of this number. Subtract 1 from this number. So the answer is 7037. Answer is 7037. Now tell me what is the successor of this number 7038. Add 1 to the number 7038 and tell me the answer now. Yes, the answer is 7039. The successor of the number is 7039. Successor of 7038 is 7039. Next, choose. You're going to choose and write the largest number from the given numbers. Choose and write the largest number from the given numbers. So many numbers are there. You're going to find out the largest number from this. Yes? Shall we see the first one? First one, 3,124. 3,124. 2,689. 2,689. 708. 708. 4,925. 4,925. 4,259. 4,259. Now tell me children, which is the largest number? Yes, 4925. We have two 4,000s, right? So you have to see the hundreds place. So 9 is the largest, biggest, right? So 4,925 is the largest number. 4,925. Second one, 9,989. 9,989. 9,819. 9,819. 9,899. 9,899. 9,879. 9,879. 9,897. 9,897. Now tell me, which is the largest number? Yes, 9,989 is the largest number. 9,989. See the thousands place. In all the numbers we have 9, right? So see the hundreds place. In hundreds place 9 is the biggest number, right? So 9,989 is the largest number. Next. Build the greatest and the smallest numbers with the given digits. Build the greatest and the smallest numbers with the given digits. You are going to build the smallest on the biggest number. You are going to form the greatest on the smallest number using the digits, given digits. Yes? Shall we see the digits now? So digits, first one, 3, 8, 2, 1. 3, 8, 2, 1. Now tell me the greatest number that can be formed using these digits. How will you form the greatest number? You have to arrange the digits in the descending order, isn't it? You have to arrange the digits in the descending order from the biggest to the smallest digit. So which is the biggest digit? Yes, 8. Very good. Then 3, 2, 1. 8, 3, 2, 1 is the greatest number. Now tell me the smallest number that can be formed. Yes, you have to arrange the digits in the ascending order from the smallest digit to the biggest digit. Which is the smallest digit? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 8. 1,238. 1,238 is the smallest number that can be formed using these digits. 3821. Second one, 5, 6, 0, 3. 5, 6, 0, 3. Now tell me the greatest number that can be formed. Yes, arrange the digits in the Descending order. So biggest to the smallest. So which is the biggest digit? Yes, very good. 6, 5, 3, 0. Very good. 6, 5, 3, 0. Then tell me the smallest number that can be formed. Yes, you have to arrange the digits in the ascending order. Smallest to the biggest. But 0 is the smallest, right? But you should not place 0 in the front. 0 has no value. So first 3, 0, 5, 6. 3056 is the smallest number that can be formed using these digits. 3, 0, 5, 6. 3056. Now, skip count in hundreds. Skip count in hundreds and complete the pattern. Skip count in hundreds and complete the pattern. You all know skip counting by hundreds, right? Yes. So you have to add 100 hundreds, right? So skip count in hundreds and complete the pattern. First one, 4,531, 4,531, 4,631, 4,631. Now tell me what will come next. Add 100 to this. So 4,731, 4,731. Then add 100. So 4,831, 4,831. Then what number will come next? Add 100 to the number 4831. 4,931, 4,931. Next 5,031. 5,031. So shall we move to the next one? Yes. 6,594. 6,594. 6,694. 6,694. Then what number will come next? Add 100. 6,794. 6,794. Then again one more 100. 6,894. 6,894. And then 6,994. 6,994. Then 7,094. 7,094. Next, skip count in thousands. Skip count in thousands and complete the pattern. Skip count in thousands and complete the pattern. What do you mean by skip counting by thousands? You're going to add 1,000 to the previous number, right? So whether 1,045, after that what number will come? Add 1,000 to the number. So first shall we see? First one, 1,045, 1,045, 2,045, 2,045. Now add 1,000 to the number 2,045. So 3,045, 3,045. Then add 1,000 again. 4,045, 4,045. Then 5,045. Very good. 5,045. Then 6,045. 6,045. 1,045. 2,045. 3,045. 4,045. 5,045. 6,045. Second one, 4,999. 4,999. 5,999. Now tell me what comes next. Yes, 6,999. Add 1,000. Very good. 6,999. Then 7,999. 7,999. 8,999. Then 8,999. Add 1,000, one more 1,000. 8,999 plus 1,000. 9,999. 9,999. Next, more than and less than. More than and less than. More than means you're going to add and less than means you're going to subtract. First one, 4 more than 2,096. 4 more than 2,096. Add 2,096 plus 4 and tell me the answer now. Yes, 2,100. 2,100. 2,100. 2,100. Second one, 10 less than 9,989. 10 less than 9,989. What do you mean by less than? Subtract 10 from the number 9989. 9989 minus 10. Now tell me the answer, children. Yes, 9979. 9,979. 9,979. Third one, 1,000 more than 5893. 1,000 more than 5893. Add 5,893 plus 1,000. What answer you'll get? Is 6,893. 6,893. Next, round off the numbers to the nearest 10. Round off the numbers to the nearest 10. I think you all know this, right? So, first one, round off the numbers to the nearest 10. First one, 63. 63. See the ones place. It is less than 4. So, place 0 in the ones place and don't change the tens place. So, the answer is 60. 63 is rounded off to 60. 6, 0. Second one, 95. 95. Round off this number to the nearest 10. See the number in the ones place. It is 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, place 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the digit at the tens place. What digit we are having at the tens place? 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So the answer is 100. 95 is rounded off to 100. 95 is rounded off to 100. Third one, 11. 11. See the digit at the ones place. 1. It is less than 4. So place 0 in the ones place and the tens place remains the same. So 1. 1, 0. 11 is rounded off to 10. 11 is rounded off to 10. 63 is rounded off to 60. 95 is rounded off to 100. 11 is rounded off to 10. Now, round off the numbers to the nearest 100. Round off the numbers to the nearest 100. We are going to round off the numbers to the nearest 100. First one, 586. 586. Now see the digit at the tens place. It is greater than 5, right? So place zeros in the ones and the tens place and also add 1 to the digit at the hundreds place. So 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 600. 586 is rounded off to 600. 586 is rounded off to 600. Second one, 222. 222. See the digit at the tens place. It is less than 4, right? So place zeros in the ones and the tens place and the hundreds place remains the same. So 2 will not change. So 222 is rounded off to 200. 200. 222 is rounded off to 200. Third one, 1, 1, 7, 7. 1,177. 1,177. Now round off this number to the nearest 100. See the digit at the tens place. It is greater than 5, right? So place zeros in the ones and the tens place and add 1 to the digit at the hundreds place. So what digit we are having? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So again 1000 place we have 1. So the answer is 1200. 1200. 1177 is rounded off to 1200. Last one. Round off the numbers to the nearest 1000. Round off the numbers to the nearest 1000. You are going to round off to the nearest 1000. First one, 3099. 3099. Round off the numbers to the nearest 1000. 3099. You have to see the digit at the hundreds place. It's less than 4, right? 0 we have. So, place zeros in the ones, tens and hundreds place and thousands place remains the same. So, 3 will not change. So, the answer is 3000. 3099 is rounded off to 3000. 3099 is rounded off to 3000. Second one, 5800. 5800 is rounded off to, see the digit at the hundreds place. So it is greater than 5, right? So place zeros in the ones, tens and hundreds place and add 1 to the digit at the thousands place. So 5 plus 1, 6. So 5800 is rounded off to 6000. 5800 is rounded off to 6000. Third one, 7999. 7999. Now tell me the answer now. Yes, it is rounded off to 8000 as the digit at the hundreds place is greater than 5. So 7999 is rounded off to 8000. 8000. Right, odd or even. Right, odd or even. 175. 175. Right, odd or even. You are going to write whether it is an odd or even number. Yes. So 175. As it ends with number 5, it is an odd number. O D D. Write it odd. O D D. Odd. O D D. Odd. 175 is an odd number. Second one, 220. 220. Tell me whether it is an odd or even number. Yes, even number. As it ends with 0. Even, right? Even. E-V-E-N. Even. E-V-E-N. Third one, 4783. 4783. Now tell me whether it is an odd or even. Yes, odd number as it ends with 3. So odd. O-D-D. Odd. Fourth one, 6322. 6322. Now tell me whether it is an odd or even. Yes, even number. Write it down evens as it ends with 2. E-V-E-N. Even. 175. Odd. 220. Even number. 4783. Odd number. 6322. Even number. Now home assignment for you. Do this during your holidays. First one, what comes between? What comes between? 1287, 1289. 1287, 1289. 8,000, second one, 8500, 8502. 8500, 8502. Second one, write the predecessor and the successor of the given numbers. You are going to write the predecessor and successor. First one is 9000. Second one is 2341. 9000, 2341. Next third one, build the greatest and the smallest number using these digits. Build the greatest and the smallest numbers using these digits. First one, 0, 2, 4, 6. 0, 2, 4, 6. 9, 5, 8, 7. Second one, 9, 5, 8, 7. Question number 4, skip counting. Skip counting in hundreds. 5287, 5287, 5387. Second one, 1872, 1972. 1872, 1972. Skip counting in thousands. You're going to write in skip counting in thousands. 3986, 4986. Remaining you're going to fill. 3986, 4986. Second one, 2105, 3105. 2105, 3105. Question number 6. Round off to the nearest 10. First one, 94, 94. Second one, 68. Round off to the nearest 10, 94, 68. Round off to the nearest 100. Round off to the nearest 100. First one, 934, 934. Second one, 750. 934, 750. Third one, round off to the nearest 1000. Round off to the nearest 1000. 6155, 6155. 3099, 3099. So here is an activity for you. Do this during your holidays and you have to show me after the school reopens. You can do this in a A4 sheet or a chart. Whatever is available with you, you do with that. Okay, no need to buy anything. Now what is the activity shall we see now? Yes. Collect the registration numbers of any 5 cars or bike. You know what is the registration number, right? At the back of the car or bike, you will have 4 numbers. So, take the numbers from your father, bike number or your uncle's aunt, whatever number. So, collect the registration numbers of any 5 cars or bike. Write in words. What you have to do? Write that in words. And you will get marks for this also. So, first page, you write the name, your class and your subject. Yes. So second page. So collect the registration number of any 5 cars or bike and write the numbers in words. Arrange the numbers in both ascending and descending order. So you have got 5 numbers, right? Arrange that in ascending and descending order. Next, arrange the numbers in a place value table. You know what is a place value table, right? Whether it is in ones place, tens or hundreds or thousands place. Write the numbers in a place value table. Next, write the numbers in the expanded form. Write the numbers in the expanded form. You know what is expanded form, right? So write the numbers in the expanded form. Do this activity, children, and show it to me after the school reopens. Yes. Thank you, children.